with these new thinking models, the key thing is what question to ask. This is a bit Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. You know? The answer is 42. What's the question?
Right. Asking the right question is often, it's prompt engineering, and we've learned prompt engineering for human counts as well.
I mean, my wife's been trying to prompt me for 15 years now, and she's never really succeeded. We see this all the time. So much is prompting in relationships and community. But this is a different type of prompt whereby, again, are you trying to create recipes and doing higher order thinking, or are you just trying to get on with your life? Because we all think Siri's a bit rubbish. But now we have all the technology for Siri to actually be a good personal assistant. It just needs to be implemented. And Apple's approaching that in a very cautious way, but I think we'll get there in the next year. That's a capability thing where it's got the context and it has the memory. Because the way I view it is this. You have data, you add context to data, and you've got knowledge. You've had a bit of experience, and you've got a bit of wisdom there. And so we're building through these things, and we're going from almost this filter, which is a model. Because what happens with a model is that we take all this data, we compress it down, and then it can guess the next word, and that's all it's doing. Or it can figure out how an image is destroyed down to its basic points in diffusion and then reconstructed. So it's like a sieve that you push stuff through. But that's why the interactions were very quick. There was none of this continuous stuff. To more this continuous learning, predictable outcomes, like, again, assistant type work. So that's the capability side. And again, we're going into this higher order thinking now where it can take all these inputs and figure out interconnections. Like with OpenAI's O1 model, it doesn't show its reasoning.